Hello everyone, this is Shaina Sultana. My topic is children connect with the water and environment and learn about STEAM. Before I start, I acknowledge the traditional Aboriginal people and their ancestors of this land, and we pay respects to the elders of the past, present, and future. We give them thanks for giving us a chance to share their land. My chosen place, Craigieburn Waterfront Lake. I choose this place because it has a strong connection with the First Nation people and visually represent environment science elements. When I entered the lake, I felt the cold air breezing, a sunny and blue sky, and a very calm environment but very cold. I can hear very strong sounds of wind, strong flows of water sound, birds crimping, ducks and swans screaming, and different types of plants such as gum trees and native plants. Over time, the plants change their leaves with different colors, and those without leaves looks like a skeleton. There are plenty of learning environment. Through this lake visit, children can easily learn scientific knowledge and mathematics concepts like gravity, motion, physics, biology, and plants life cycle. The careful layout of this space encourages children to learn through exploration and play opportunity. I'm going to describe how the environment creates STEAM. The wetland has an increase in the number of insects and microorganisms as a result of water release. Frogs come out to feed and are eaten by fish, turtles, water birds, and other reptiles. Animals use plants for food, shelter, and nesting materials as they reproduce and create seeds. Children learn science, technology, engineering, and mathematics from this environment. How do children learn about living things and non-living things from these waterfront lakes? Children learn about the birds and animals float and swim, how the water make current, how the water makes steam, how the leaves change color. They can learn mathematics like sorting, counting ducks, plants, and rocks, counting loose parts. As a preschool teacher, I have to consider a number of areas worth considering when planning for and facilitating learning in diverse and unique education settings. The physical environment is one of the most obvious in play-based, child-led settings. Those familiar with the Reggio Emilia approach will have heard of the motion of the environment as the third teacher, Delaney, 2011. I connect with Anne Pelot's ideas. The place is our identity place, letting it shape who I am and how I live in the world. Ecological identity opens a much broader connection. Children learn environment science plays through walking. The environment is alive. It has its own identity and it speaks for itself. The environment is supposed to serve as the third teacher. Boyd Cadwell, 1997, page 102. Today's children need to be involved in real world, contextually relevant learning in order to support their communities, preparing them for educational opportunities in the future. Allen, 2016, Draper and Wood, 2017. I believe that STEAM should be our daily practices. I am inspired by Reggio Emilia's approach, that environment as a third teacher. Gardini, 1998, page 177. As a preschool teacher, I will create my program and plan based on Reggio Emilia's approach. Thank you for listening.